To solve this, we want to simply divide every term on the left-hand side by this x. So we have x to the power of 2 over x, this one, plus x, this x, over this x. Then we have equals to 8. So x divided 2x, that is x in two places, 1x, which is x will remain, and then x divide this, so we have 1 remaining, x divide x is 1, equals 8. So we simply move this to the right hand side. So x equals 8 minus 1. And so the final answer is x equals 7. Now let's check to know if this 7 is actually correct. So what do? We have the original question over here, which is 7. X is now 7, right? So 7 to the power of 2 plus 7 all over 7 equals 8. Let's find out if that is correct. So 7 times 7 is 49, and that is plus 7 over 7 equals 8. So what do we do next? Next, we add 49 plus 7 is 56, all over 7 equals to 8. And 7 divided 56 will give us 8 equals 8. So this is 100% accurate. Please consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share the videos. Thank you so much.